Okay. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss some more programs on for loop. So same as the previous patterns. So here we are printing the different patterns that we had discussed in the previous class. So in today's class also we will discuss some of the patterns, how to print the different type of patterns. So write a Python program to print below output using some nested loop. Or simply, so write a Python program to print the following structure. So here I need to print in first line I want 1, in second line 2, 3, in third line 4, 5, 6, then in fourth line 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So to print the numbers from 1 to 10, so here I am assuming, so in previous already we have assumed that, so there are two variables, one is I, another one is j. So here in place of j, here I am assuming some k. So let us assume k. K is used to print these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. So for I in range, to give the range, so here I'm using a range for range. Here I'm using I for I in range 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 means it will print the 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4 because it is the input range. It will include in the range. 5 is the output range. It will exclude from the range. Therefore, it will print the lines 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Next, for I in range, 1, 1 to I plus 1. So here the value will be incremented by 1, 1, 1 like that. So next, print k n. Then k equal to k plus 1, then print. So it is a simple logic to print the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we will see how it works. So let us assume that here already we assume that k is 1. When k equal to 1, let us assume k equal to 1. So here I is in the range of 1 to 5. Therefore, it will print the values from 1 to 4. Now I is in the range of 1 to I plus 1. Therefore, let us assume 1 to the first range is first one is. So here I am assuming I is 0 or I equal to 1. Let us assume I equal to 1. When we assume I equal to 1. So it is I equal to I is in the range of 1 plus 1. It is 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means, so it will exclude the 2 will exclude from the range. Therefore, it will consider the only value, only one value only. Now, we need to print the k. So to print the k is, what is the k value? K value is 1. Therefore, it will print the k as 1. Then come down to the next one. K is incremented to 1. Now the k value, new k value is k equal to 2. Whenever the k equal to 2, again it comes back to the I value for I in range 1 to 5, and for I in range, so here it is 1 to, now the I value is 2, 2 plus 1. Therefore, we have 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 means it will consider the values of I equal to 1 and I equal to 2. So we have I equal to 1 and I equal to 2. Now come down. So here it will print the value k equal to n. So therefore it will print the, what is the k value? K equal to 2. Then now the k value is incremented to 3. K equal to 3. Now again, so here we have one more iteration here. So because the I is ranging from 1 to 3, we have one more iteration. Then again it will go here. It will go here and it will print the k value as 3. It will print the k value as 3. Therefore 3. Now come down here. So here it will print means print nothing means it will go to the next line. It will go to the next line. Again here I value is, let us in k value incremented to k equal to, already this k value is 3. So k value incremented to k equal to 4. Now the new k value is 4. When k value is 4, I is ranging from 1 to next value. I value is here. So 1 to 3 plus 1. It is 1 to 4. So previous first one is I value is 1, I value is 2, I value for third iteration, I value is 3. When I value is 3, it is ranging from 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means it will take the 3 iterations, 1, 2, 3. 3 iterations. For 3 iterations, we need to print the k value. So here for first iteration, the k value is when I equal to 1, it will print the k value as 1. Then it will come down. Now the k value is incremented to k equal to 4 plus 1, 5. Then again it will go for the second iteration, I equal to 2 for the next iteration. So it will print the k value as 5. Next come down. So k value is incremented from 5 to 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means now the new k value is 6. So it will print the 6 here. So after completion of the 3 iterations, then it will print the k value is incremented again. When k value is incremented means k value becomes k equal to 7 now. The new value of k is 7. Therefore k equal to 7, then it will print the nothing. So it will print the nothing means then it will go to the next line. It will go to the next line. So here the next line is here, it will come to the next line. So in next line means again I value. We need to consider the I value. I value is ranging from 1 to, now the I value is 4. Therefore 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 means 5. Therefore I value is 1 to 5. 1 to 5 means here we have 4 iterations, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 iterations. So for 4 iterations for first iteration, so here the k value is already the k value is 7. So it will print the 7. Now the k value is incremented to 7 plus 1, 8. 8 again it will go to the previous one. It will print the 8 value for second iteration. Now the k value is incremented to 9. Next for the third iteration, it will print the k value as 9. Next for fourth iteration, k value incremented from 9 plus 1 to 10. So it will print the 10. It will print the 10. Then so print nothing means it will come to the next line. So from here it will come to the next line. But here the k is ranging from 1 to 5 only. For 4 iterations only, we need to print the value. So here if you write this one k value as next 6, the iteration says I value is ranging from 1 to 6, then it will go to the next value. Next value is, so here it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So like that it will print the next one. So like that it will print the numbers. Please note the small program. Please note this one, note the program. Yes, any doubts? Does anyone of you respond? Any doubts? No, any doubts? Is it okay or I need to explain once again? So please note the program. We'll run the program using Python module.
Sir, మళ్ళీ explain చేయరా?
Sir, okay. I will erase this and I will explain. Yes. So play this number. So here we need to print the values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for that we need to require 2 variables. So here I am assuming the 2 variables, that is the k value and I. So here k, here I am assuming k equal to 1 first at the starting stage. So here I am assuming k equal to 1 value, and I is ranging from 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 means, so it will print the 4 lines only. So it will consider 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So because 5 is the output range, output means it will exclude from the output. Therefore, we need to print the values. We need to print 1, 2, 3, 4 only, up to 4 lines only. Okay. Then for I in range, so here I'm assuming the I in range as 1 comma I plus 1. So I is in the range of 1 comma I plus 1. Let us assume I equal to 1. Starting stage I equal to 1. When I equal to 1, so it is ranging from 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 means 2 is the output range. 2 is the output range, therefore it will be excluded. Therefore only we have one value in the first one. When I equal to 1, we need to print only one value. Therefore come down. So you come down here, print k value. So what is the k value here? At the starting stage, k equal to 1. Therefore it will print the k value as 1. Then now the k value is incremented from k equal to k plus 1. So the new value of k is k equal to 2. K equal to 2. So then it is print nothing means it will come to the next line. It will come to the next line. Again, it will check the loop here. For I in range 1 to 1 plus I plus 1. For I in range 1 to I plus means now the I value is 2. Previous I value is 1. Now the I value equal to 2. When I value is equal to I value equal to 2, the new range is 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 means it will consider up to 2, 1 comma 2 only, because 3 will be excluded. Therefore, it will print the k value. So now the k value is 2. Already k value is 2. Therefore, it will print the k value 2. Next, k is incremented from 2 to 3 because k equal to k plus 1. Now the k value is new k values equal to 3. Because here we have second iteration for I. Again, it will come here, and it will print the k value. So it will print the next k value is 3. Next, again, come down. K is incremented from 3 to 4. Now the new k value is 4. Then it will come to the next one because we have only 2 iterations here. It will come on print nothing. Print nothing means again it will come from the second line to third line. It will come from second line to third line. So now the new k value is 4 and I is incremented from 2 to 3 and I value is I equal to 3. Therefore I is ranging from 1 comma 1 plus 3, 4. So 4 means it will have the 3 iterations, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 iterations in the I equal to 3. So now it will come out, print the k value. Now the new k value is 4. 4 and again come down. K is incremented from 4 to 5. Therefore the new k value is k equal to 5. For second iteration of I, it will print the k value as 5. Again come down. K is incremented from 5 to 6. Therefore the new k value is k equal to 6. Then it will print the again it go to the next one. It will print the next value for the third iteration of the k. Now again come down. K is incremented from 6 to 7. 6 to 7. So because there are 3 iterations in I, again it come to the print nothing. Again it come to the new line. So now the new k value is 7. K is equal to 7 and I is incremented from I equal to 3 to 4. When I equal to 4, the range of I is 1 comma 5. So therefore it has 4 iterations, 1, 2, 3, 4 iterations for the I. For first iteration, k is printed as 7 directly. Now for the second iteration, then k is come down and k incremented from 7 to 8. Then if when k is 8, again it will go to the loop. So here it go to the loop. For second iteration, it print the 8. Next, to come down, k is incremented from 8 to 9. The new value of k is 9. Again, it go to the loop. Within the loop, for the third iteration, it will print the k value as 9. Again, come down, k is incremented from 9 to 10. Again, for the fourth iteration, it will go on. It will print the next value as 10. So after four iterations, again it come to the print nothing. It will print nothing. So print nothing means it will go to the next line, because here the I is ranging from 1 to 5. For maximum iterations of I is 4 only. So because the range is completed, it won't print and it will come out from the loop. Therefore, the new output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, if the range is from 1 to 6, then it will print the next line 11. Next line, what is 11? Next line 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this, it will print the next line. So here I am opening the Python IDLE. Let's see the program. Are you able to see the program?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please note the program. Please note the program. So if it is completed, I will run the program using run module. Has completed.
Sir.
Okay, I'm running the program using run module and I'm sharing the output. Let's see the output. So here the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, man. Just again I'm sharing the program. Let's please check the program. So here in program, so here I'm changing the range. So here, if we change the range, so let us assume in place of 5, so here I'm typing 7. So here I'm typing 7. So here again, if we run the program, the output is, so here I'm sharing the output. This is the output. Please check the output. When I is ranging from 1 to 5, the output is first one. When I is ranging from 1 to 7, the output is second one. So here we have 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 rows where we assume I value as 1 to 7. So like that we can print the values up to the required range. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Gana? We will go to the next program. Let's see the program. So write a Python program to find a factorial of a number. Find the factorial of a given number. Write a program to find the factorial of a given number. So we need to find the factorial of a given number. To find the factorial of a given number, so here the logic is, so let us assume n is a variable n equal to int of input of enter n value. enter n value. So here we can enter the n value as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to any number. Next. So next, before that, here I am assuming product equal, let us assume product equal to 1 for I in range 1 to n plus 1, 1 to n plus 1. Suppose here if you assume that n value as, suppose n equal to some 1, n equal to 1, then I is ranging from 1 to 1 plus 1, that is 1 comma 2. In a similar fashion, if you assume n equal to some 10, if you assume n equal to 10, the n is ranging from 1 to 10 plus 1, the range is 1 to 11. Yes, 453. 453. 453. Okay, next. Product equal to, so here I'm writing product equal to product into I. So here already we have product is 1 into I. So here let us assume the range. Here if you assume range as suppose 1. So here if you assume the range as 1, then 1 to suppose 1 range as 1 to n equal to 1. If you assume that n equal to 1, the range is from 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means 2 will be excluded. Therefore, only we have 1. Therefore, here the product is product equal to product into I. Product into I. Therefore, print factorial of n is product. This is nothing but the product. Let us assume some n equal to 2. Let us assume next one is n equal to 2. When we assume n equal to 2, so here I is ranging from 1 to n plus 1. Therefore, I is ranging from 1 to 3. Therefore, I is having the values of 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Now the product equal to product into I value. First it will take the 1, then it will take the product into 2. Like that, it will take the next value. So up to n values, it will take the values and it will print the values. Yes, please note the program. Let us assume n equal to 3. n equal to 3 means next it will consider up to 4, because I is ranging from 1 to 4. It will consider the values of I values of 1, 2, 3. 1 into 2 into 3. Product equal to product into I. That is I 1 into product into 1 into 2 into 3. So let us assume if n equal to 4. N equal to 4 means, so it will consider I is ranging from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Therefore, I is ranging from 1 to 4. Therefore, the value is factor is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So like that, if n equal to 10, so it will consider the I value as 10. Therefore, the factor is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Like that, it will calculate the factor here. So you can calculate the n factorial up to n factorial. Please note the program. N equal to input of enter n. Enter n. First one is, let us assume product equal to 1 for I in range 1 to n plus 1, for I in range 1 to n plus 1, product equal to product into I. Product equal to product into I. Product equal to product into I. Just completed. Learn the program. We'll see the program using Python module. Yes. See the program. N equal to int of input of enter n, product equal to 1 first, for I in range 1 to n plus 1, product equal to product into I, print factorial of n is, print factorial of n is, that is product. Factorial of n is product. And directly we can write factorial of n. Directly here we can write factorial of n. So here if you run the module using run module, so here it will ask the number. So here I am sharing that. So are able to see the output. So it will ask the enter name n. So here I want to find the factorial of suppose some 5. So I am entering 5. The number is factorial of 5 is 120. So it is how it will calculate. Hello. So here we can calculate the value as 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 2, 120, 120 into 1, 120. So like this you can calculate the output. Again, here I am running the program. So again, if I run the program, it will ask for the next value. Suppose here I want to calculate the factorial of 10. So the factorial of 10 is, it is 3,62,000. No, 3 lakh, not 3 lakh. 1, 2, 3. It is 36 lakhs 28,800. It is 10 into 8 into 9 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it will calculate the value. So like that you can calculate the different values. Suppose simple for simplicity. Again I am running the program. So again, so here I want to calculate the factorial of 4. So the factorial of 4 is, so here it is 24. 24 means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This 24. Like that. So here you can calculate the 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 10. So these are 10 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So the value is similar. 36 lakhs 28,800. 36 lakhs 28,800. Similarly, we can calculate the any value, factorial of any value. Has any doubt? Is any doubts in the program? Next, we will discuss another program. Yes, so your program, next program. Yes, are you able to see the program? Are you able to see the program? Yes. Anyone of you please respond?
Yes, sir.
So write a Python program to find the given number is a prime or not. You need to find that. So whether the given number is a prime number or not. Please note the program. I will explain the logic. First of all, you please note the program. Please note the program. First number equal to int of input of please enter an integer. Next, first let us assume the count is 0 for I in range 1 to number plus 1. For I in range 1 to number plus 1. If number percentile I equal to, if number percentile I equal to 0. If number percentile I equal to 0, then it will come and count equal to count will be incremented from count equal to count plus 1. Count equal to count plus 1. Next, if count is not equal to 2, if count is not equal to 2, then I have to print that the given number is a prime number. Else, print not a prime number. If count equal to 2, then I need to print that given value is a prime number. If count is not equal to 2, then I have to print that the given number is a not a prime number. Please note the program. I will explain the logic.
Complete.
Hello?
Complete.
Yeah, okay. So here I will explain the logic. So here I want to find the given number is a prime or not. So for that here let us assume I am assuming the first number. I am assuming some number as n equal to 4. The number is 4. So here I am entering the number is 4. So I need to find that the given number n is a prime number or not. So first I am entering the n equal to 4. When n equal to 4, let us assume count equal to 0. When count equal to 0, so here I is ranging from 1 to number plus 1. Where number plus 1 is 4 plus 1. So I is ranging from 1 to 5. Because 5 will be excluded. Now I has the iterations of 1, 2, 3, 4. Next come down. If number percentile I equal to 0. If number percentile I equal to 0. So if number percentile I equal to 0 means, so here let us assume the number is 4. 4 percentile 1. I value is 1, 2, 3, 4. First I value is 1. If 4 percentile I equal to 4 percentile 1 equal to, what is the value of 4 percentile 1 equal to 4? Then next iteration is 4 percentile 2. 4 percentile 2 equal to 2. Then 4 percentile 3 equal to 1. Then 4 percentile 4 equal to 0. So now we have the 0. So here if number percentile I equal to 0, then count is incremented from count equal to count plus 1. Now the count equal to here we have count is equal to 0 plus 1. The count is 1. When count is 1, if count equal to 2, then we need to write that given number is a prime number. So here the count is 1 only. When count is 1, we need to assume that the given number is not a prime number. We need to assume that the given number is not a prime number. Similarly, we will check for the 5 value. So let us assume the value is entering is 5. N equal to 5. So here I'm entering n equal to 5. When n equal to 5, so here let us assume again count is 0. When n equal to 5, we assume that the first one is count equal to 0. When count equal to 0, I is ranging from 1 to 5 plus 1. That is 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Because 6 will be included, I is having the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to find that if number percentile I equal to 0. If number percentile I equal to 0 means, so here we need to check that number percentile I equal to 0 or not. If number percentile I equal to 0, then count will be incremented. So here I percentile means 5. 5 percentile 1. 5 percentile 1 is, so what is the value of 5 percentile 1? Yes, anybody 5 percentile 1? It is 0. So 5 percentile 1 equal to 0. Then the count is incremented. It will come. Then count equal to count plus 1. The count will be incremented to 1. Now the new count is 1 here. The new count is 1. Then next one value is, next is number percentile 2. 5 percentile 2. 5 percentile 2. 5 percentile 2 equal to 3. The count will be no change. Then 5 percentile 3. 5 percentile 3 equal to, what is the value of 5 percentile 3? 1. Sorry, 5 percentile 2 equal to 1. Sorry. 5 percentile 2 equal to 1 here. Then again 5 percentile 4. 5 percentile 4 equal to again 1 only. Then 5 percentile 5 equal to 0. 5 percentile 5 equal to 0. So 5 percentile 5 equal to 0 means again we have the 0. So here when number percentile I equal to 0, then we need to increment the count. So already count is 1. So when 5 percentile 5 equal to 0, the count is incremented from 1 to 2. 1 plus 1, 2. When count is 2, we need to print that given number is a prime number. We need to assume that given number is a prime number. Yes, anybody? So we'll check using Python module. Yes, check the program. Number equal to int of input of, please enter an integer. Then count equal to first one count, let us count equal to 0. If I in range 1 to number plus 1, if number percentile I equal to 0, count is incremented from count equal to count plus 1. If count equal to 2, then print prime number, else print not a prime number. This is the logic. So here I am running the program. Run the program, and it will ask for the number. Enter a number. So here I am entering the 4 value. So 4 is not a prime number. Similarly, so here again I am running the program. If I run the program, again it lost the other number. So here I am entering the 7. 7 is a prime number. Just again run the program. Again type the 5. Here I am entering 5. 5 is a prime number. Again run the module. So here I am entering some 9 value. Not a prime number. So like this we can find the whether the given number is a prime or not. So here we'll check percentile 1 also 5 percentile 1. So 5 percentile 1 equal to 0. Like that 5 percentile 2. 1. 5 percentile 3. 5 percentile 3. 3 ones. Then 5 percentile 4. 1. Then 5 percentile 5. 0. So here when 5 percentile 1 equal to 0, when 5 percentile 1 equal to 0, now the count is incremented from 0 to 1. When 5 percentile is 5, when 5 percentile 5, again we have 0, then the count is incremented from 1 to 2. When count is 2, we need to print that given number is a prime number. When count is not equal to 2, we need to print that given number is a not a prime number. Similarly, we'll see the 4 percentile 1. 2 percentile 1, 4 percentile 1 is 0. So therefore, count is incrementing from 0 to 1. Now the count is 1. Then 4 percentile 2 next 0. Again 4 percentile 3. Next 4 percentile 4. Then 0 value. Now the count is 3. So not equal to 1. Count is not a 2. When count equal to 2, we need to print that given value is a prime number. So here the count is 3 times the increment counter is incremented here. So when 4 percentile 1 equal to 0, when number percentile I equal to 0, count is incremented from one value to the next value. So now the value count is incremented from 0 to 1 here. Next, when 4 percentile 2, the count is incrementing from 1 to 2. When 4 percentile 4, again count is incrementing from 2 to 3. Therefore, the count is 3. When count is 3, the given number is not a prime number. Okay, like this, you can find out whether the given number is a prime number or not. Yes, any doubt in this one? Yes, any doubt?